Setting up a solid home gym is tough, especially when picking the right treadmill. Buying the wrong model means ending up with a clunky coat rack that shakes every time you jog. That is why I bought and tested 5 of the best treadmills for home gyms on the market today. I ran on every single one of them to find out which models are actually sturdy, quiet, and worth your hard-earned cash. Product number 1. Nordic Track T6.5S Folding Treadmill. When I unboxed the Nordic Track T6.5S, the heavy steel frame immediately stood out. Stepping onto the deck, the thick frame feels solid underfoot without any hollow flex. The handrails feel sturdy when leaning into an incline, and the 5-inch backlit display gives you an uncluttered view of your speed and distance. During my outdoor simulation runs, the 2.6 CHP motor stayed remarkably steady, even when I pushed the speed up toward 10 miles per hour. My favorite part was the Select Flex cushioning on the deck. I noticed that when I turned the cushioning knob to max absorption, my knees felt significantly less impact after a 4-mile jog compared to running on asphalt. Raising the incline up to 10% gave my legs a serious burn during hill intervals. Plus, when I was done, the hydraulic Easy Lift Assist let me fold the deck straight up with one hand, so it barely took up floor space in my spare room. If you want a trusted, full-sized folding treadmill for everyday jogging and walking without high-tech bloat, this is a fantastic choice. If you want similar auto... Product number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SF-T7-23030 Smart Auto Incline Treadmill. Unpacking the Sunny Health and Fitness SF-T7-23030 was a total breeze because it came almost completely assembled. When I grabbed the handlebars and locked the console into place, I could tell the frame was built to last. The 20-inch wide running deck feels open and spacious, giving you plenty of room so you do not feel constrained when sprinting. While testing out sprints, the brushless motor stayed whisper quiet, which meant I could run early in the morning without waking up anyone in the house. I noticed that changing the auto incline through its 15 levels happened smoothly, without any sudden jerks or stalling. The double-deck shock absorption absorbed heavy footfalls effortlessly during high-speed intervals. Syncing the console with the SunnyFit app allowed me to track my workouts and follow along with virtual trail routes right on my phone. If you have limited time for assembly and want a quiet, wide-deck treadmill with deep incline options, this model delivers incredible value. However, if your home gym space is super tight and you need a compact machine that still offers incline options, this next unit is built for small spaces. Product number 3. Cursor Fitness Incline Treadmill with dual displays. When I first set up the Cursor Fitness treadmill, I was surprised by how sleek and compact its profile is. Holding the safety handrails, the unit feels tight and well anchored, despite having a smaller footprint than standard gym treadmills. The dual display windows look sharp and let you monitor your speed, distance, and heart rate simultaneously. During my walk-to-jog testing sessions, the 2.5 HP brushless motor ran smoothly without generating excessive heat or noise. I noticed that the built-in incline mechanism helped me ramp up my heart rate during fast walking sessions without needing to run at top speed. The pulse sensors on the handles responded quickly when I checked my heart rate mid-workout. My favorite part was how effortlessly I could wheel it away into a corner after finishing a session, making it super easy to clear out workout space. If you need a budget-friendly incline treadmill that fits comfortably in an apartment or small home gym, this one is a great pick. If you are working from a desk or need something even lighter that slides directly under your furniture, this next walking pad takes portability even further. Product number 4. Compact Walking Pad. Lightweight Home Treadmill. When I unboxed this lightweight walking pad, I was amazed by how light and slim it felt. Picking it up by the front edge, I easily lifted it with one hand. The low-profile deck sits barely a few inches off the floor, making it feel completely non-intrusive in a living room or home office space. During my daily work routines, I slid this pad under my standing desk and walked for hours at 2 miles per hour.
The motor glides along silently, so I was able to take phone calls and answer emails without any distracting hum in the background. I noticed that the shock-absorbing rubber layers under the belt cushioned my steps well enough that my lower back felt fresh even after 5,000 steps. Operating it with the wireless remote control meant I could tweak my speed instantly without bending down or breaking my rhythm. If your main goal is getting daily steps while working from home without cluttering your room, this walking pad is the ultimate convenience. On the other hand, if you want high-end commercial power and premium construction for serious training, this final heavy-duty treadmill is built for the job.
Product number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Astra Elite Smart Treadmill, SF-T7-22052. Stepping onto the Sunny Health and Fitness Astra Elite, you instantly feel like you are standing on a commercial gym machine. The frame is thick, heavy, and rock solid. When I grabbed the sturdy side rails and gripped the built-in pulse sensors, there was zero wobble or frame flex under my full weight. When I pushed this machine through high-intensity speed intervals, the high-torque brushless motor handled rapid speed changes without hesitation. The spacious, long running belt gave me plenty of room for long strides at top speeds. I noticed that the automatic incline adjustments felt seamless when following along with app-based trainer workouts. The shock-absorbing deck absorbed high-impact landings exceptionally well, keeping joint strain low even during long-distance runs. If you are a dedicated runner looking for a feature-packed treadmill that will handle daily heavy use, this is the top pick.
That wraps up my hands-on look at the best treadmills for home gyms. Whether you need a compact walking pad for your desk or a heavy-duty machine for interval running, there is a great model here for your setup. Make sure to check the links down in the description for current prices, and I will see you in the next review.